Jerry once again with Hilltop Firearms Training Center here in Dover, Tennessee. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to do a brief video today, a video that you may benefit from, and I hope that you just give it a little bit of a thought. I often try to produce videos that you may find beneficial and helpful, and these are videos for people that carry a firearm on a daily basis for personal protection. Okay? Now, whether you're law enforcement, military, or you're just a legal citizen carrying a firearm, if you live in one of these good states that allows you to carry for personal protection, I have often expressed the importance of keeping the firearm that you carry each day maintained and clean. In addition to maintaining and doing our daily field strip and cleaning, there is a part of most, I guess you could say just about every semi-automatic, that I feel often becomes neglected. What could it be? Well, it's not the obvious parts. You know, when we carry a firearm for personal protection and we shoot it, most of you that are serious enough to invest in a good quality firearm and take the time to train and prepare yourself in the event of a violent encounter, most of you watching, I would say, probably do keep your firearm pretty clean and also lubricated. But there's one place, I'm sorry, not one place, there's one particular area I think is often neglected. It's our magazines. The magazine is the heart of the semi-auto. You've got the body of the magazine that can become damaged after, if you train hard and you drop those magazines on the ground, eventually, you have to look to see if there's visible signs of damage. But what about the internal mechanisms of the magazine itself? Think about it. Each time it has to chamber a round, extract the round, chamber the next round. Everything has to function in top working order. And how is this accomplished? Well, holster up here. It's accomplished by the magazine follower, spring, floor plate, magazine body. Everything works in conjunction with each other, so the timing is perfect. These are often neglected when it comes to maintenance, and I have been guilty of it myself. I'm going to show you an innovative tool you may want to invest in. Stand by. Okay guys, here's the tool itself. This is the GTUL. Now what's unique about this is it is a cleaning brush for the interior walls of your magazine, as well as it features the punch that is often used on the Glock series of pistols. If you've ever gone to one of the armor schools, you'll know that this punch is invaluable if you're working on a Glock, and most semi-autos for that matter. It also comes with this just uniquely designed little apparatus that gives you the leverage that you need to depress the little tabs at the bottom of the magazine. So basically what you do, and these will work with any of the Glock series of pistol mags, and that's the one thing that I really like about this GTUL, is it doesn't really matter what caliber you have. You simply set it over the top, you depress simply by squeezing the little relief cut. You squeeze, you depress. Look how easy this makes this job. Simply, it allows you to depress this without having to put it in a vise or damage it. Then by basically holding some tension, ease that off. You have the floor plate, retainer, the magazine follower, and the walls of the magazine itself. Now, here's what I'm going to tell you. If you have one of these tools, every 6 months or so, just do a field strip of your magazine. Get inside, clean the walls, because a lot of powder and debris will accumulate. And if it accumulates too much over time, it will impede the travel of the follower as it comes up to advance the next round. And that is why a lot of times these magazines will fail. And instead of just throwing these things away, you can actually buy new followers, springs, base plates. You can buy all of these parts. As long as the body of the magazine is in working order, there's your magazine. Now what I like to do is get in here, sometimes run a cleaning patch also in here with maybe just a little bit of simple green. Get in there, clean it really good, and then make sure the walls, the interior walls, are dry before reassembling. You also want to go in here, clean the follower. If there's any debris and fouling that is built up along the sides, get in there and clean it off. And basically, this cuts the time to put these things back together in half the time, because they're just so convenient. The way the tool was designed, it makes the job extremely easy. There you go. Now, here's one thing I'm going to tell you. Yes, this tool is specifically designed to remove the base plate on the Glock series of pistols. But you can still use this wonderful tool and the punch to clean all sorts of semi-auto mags. I use it on the SIG, it works on the Beretta, just about any single or double stack magazine. So you're getting a really good investment for your money. I hope this tool is something you may be interested in, and give it a chance. This is an invaluable addition to any cleaning kit.